In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Elementor. Adding a link in Elementor is quick and reliable once you know exactly where to look. Whether you want to make a word in a paragraph clickable, turn a heading into a link, or direct people from a button or image to another page, the process centers on two simple actions: selecting what you want to link and pasting the URL into the link field. Start by identifying the item you want to make clickable. If it's a widget like a button, heading, or image, simply click to select that widget. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline in the preview and the settings appear in the left panel. If you're working with a block of text inside the text editor, click into the text and highlight just the specific word or phrase you want linked. Selecting the whole widget is perfect when you want the entire button or image to act as the link, while highlighting text is best when only certain words should be clickable. With your text or widget selected, look in the left panel for the link field. This is where the magic happens. Paste your URL directly into that field. Use the full address when linking to another site or page, including HTTPS or HTTP at the beginning, like https://example.com. If you're linking to a section on the same page, you can paste a hash link such as #contact, as long as that section has a matching ID. You can also paste special links like mail to, followed by an address to start an email, or TL, followed by a number to initiate a call on supported devices. As soon as you paste the URL, Elementor applies the link to your selection in the preview. Hover over the linked text, button, or image to confirm that it points to the right place. If you spot a typo, just correct it in the same link field. If you change your mind, clearing the link field removes the link immediately. A couple of quick best practices. Use descriptive link text so visitors know exactly where they're going, like, "Learn more about pricing" instead of "click here." Double-check that your URL is correct and secure, especially for external sites, and keep your links consistent so users understand what will happen when they click. That's it. Select your text or widget, then paste the URL in the link field. With this straightforward approach, you'll create clear, reliable links throughout your page in no time.